Hey guys, hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any content from me. Have your bell notification on and all that good stuff. So in this video, we are going to be achieving this crisscross rubber band hairstyle. All right, but without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video. Alright, so I'm starting out on hair that's freshly washed, moisturized, and all that good stuff, and it's kind of stretched, okay, to my best ability. Alright, so I'm starting out by sectioning my hair because we're going to be working with the one in front first. So I'm just going to put the one in the back away for now and then work with the one in front. Alright, so this is the shining gem that I'm going to be using for this particular hairstyle. I tried this one and I think I like this one for my hair. Alright, so I'm sectioning the hair. So for this hairstyle, because the crisscross rubber band is like the style of the hairstyle, I have to make sure that my lines are nice and crisp and clean. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the shining gem on the line, use my rat tail comb to clean them out, you know, making sure that it's nice and clean. All right, and I'm gonna section another section, do the same, make sure it's nice and clean and crisp. Okay, so I have like I think 5 sections. I don't know, you guys are gonna see, but yeah, so I'm just making sure that they're nice and clean and crisp. Okay. All right, so I'm doing 4 sections. Some people do 6, some people do I think 8, but that's making it even more skinnier and I didn't want to do that, okay? Just because I don't think that's really good for my hair. But if your hair can handle that, then go ahead, sis, okay? Just do what works for your hair. Okay, so I'm sectioning the hair. I'm gonna use shining gem to make sure that it's nice and crisp and clean or whatever. And then I'm gonna use a rubber band, okay? Then I'll do the same to the other 3. Making sure those lines are clean. And I also want to point this out. My hair is type 4 hair, so you guys know to get it sleek, it's a whole different story, okay? And I didn't want to put heat on my hair. I didn't want to do a lot of stretching just to achieve this hairstyle. And I've been wanting to do this hairstyle for a while, but I just knew it was going to be a fail. But I figured, let me just do it in my, comfort zone. That's why I used the hair that I used, and you guys are going to see, because I feel like that will blend better with my hair, okay? Alright, so I'm just putting shining gem on the rest of the hair and then just forming a crisscross. You guys see what I'm doing, it's better for you to see. You guys can see better than I can explain. If you need to, you can stop the video, rewind, replay, whatever you want to do to understand. Play it slow, all that good stuff. But yeah, so this is what I have going on. So I'm going to do that to the rest of the hair. Okay? This is another section. So I think it's 5 sections with 4 sections to crisscross, whatever you want to call it. This is what I'm doing here as well. Okay, so in this part I'm just gonna let the video play so you guys can watch and learn. All right, so this is how the hair is looking. We're gonna do that on the other side. Boom, one side is done. So this is another side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are 4 sections, and then this is the 5th section, which is on top. Okay, now you can have as many sections as you want, girl. It's up to you. This is the front. We're gonna do the same like we did on the sides. Okay, just put in the rubber bands. Make sure your rubber bands are not too tight. And make sure that you put them in oil if you're afraid that they're gonna snap or pop or cause damage to your hair, okay? So like I already showed you guys, I'm just taking one part, crisscrossing on the other side, tying with the rubber band, doing the same on the other side. And that's it. This is the front. It's all done, looking all nice and whatever. All right, now for the back, I just went ahead and did cornrows, simple cornrows, nothing complicated, nothing fancy. I'm not trying to have straight lines or all that jazz. All I need is to have something I can do crochet on. Okay, that's all I cared about. So that's what I went ahead and did. All right, so this is the hair that I'm gonna be using. It's Criss braid. It's pre-fluffed, okay, and it's 16 inches and it's 1B. All right, so this is what it looks like. All right, and this is what it looks like out of the package. I love this hair because it's natural looking. I feel like it's really close to my hair texture, and that's why I went with it. As you guys can see right here, I didn't want to use something that was, initially I was gonna do water wave, but I feel like it was gonna be a fail. Okay, like I didn't want to worry about like the hair blending with my natural hair, so I just had to go with something that I felt like was so close to my natural hair, and that's why I went with this. And I like the Afro look of it, so yeah. But if you want something that's more water wave, like, you know, the popular hairstyle that a lot of people are using, you can go ahead and use water wave or whatever other ones that are out there, but this is what I went with. All right, so I'm just gonna do crochet braids, and you guys know the drill. Okay, so I'm definitely separating the hair before I install it. Okay, and after I do that, that's it. There's nothing else to do. But yeah, you guys know the drill. You just put the crochet, put the hair in, you know. There's so many videos on crochet braids, and I have so many of them, so you guys can check out if you need a tutorial on how to do crochet. But yeah, it's just nice and simple and easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole head, as you guys can see. And in front, I made sure that I had little pieces, so I was separating the hair in 3 parts instead of 2 parts like I was doing in the back, just so it can blend better with my crisscross on top. And that is it, guys. The hair is all installed. So the last thing that I did was just use the scissors and snap the hair. I'm not really the best at this, but I tried the best that I could. Okay, and yeah, I just snap and make sure that it gives it a nice shape. There's no hair hanging out. And yeah, this is it, guys. That's the finished look. I am loving the look. If you guys want to do your own hair, you don't want to spend a lot of money, fast and easy, this is the way to go. Okay, and also crochet braids, it's definitely a very, very good protective style. You're not doing too much to your hair, but you're also achieving a beautiful hairstyle. So yeah, and I love just how it looks with the front. I feel like it blends in so well with my hair, with my texture. Okay, as you guys can see. All right, guys, and this is the back, looking all full and nice and all that good stuff. All right, guys, so this is it for this video. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Give this video thumbs up, comment below, share, do everything you gotta do. Okay, love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.